Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, guys. Yo, I'm feeling happy right now because something good is cooking here. So today we're about to face our fear. We're about to challenge this. Yo, I have never done a fade all by myself. I always had a help, but today I am about to challenge, like whatever fear is in there, I don't care. I'm about to do it, okay? I'm about to give my son his first fade done by his mama, who, working with a baby is no joke, and my boy is 1 year and a half. So we about to do this on him. This gonna be crazy, but this gonna be amazing, yo. If you are man and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, bro, make sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Something amazing, something good is cooking here, and I know you want to stay with this channel. You want to know every step, everything that we do on here. So stay up, smash that subscribe, and turn on the bell. Okay, let's get into it. So yeah, at this point, I'm just getting ready, setting up everything I'm gonna need to get the job done. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all, the video I watched, I am not close to having anything like what the guy had in that video. But we're gonna work with what we got. After all, this is good enough and this can get the job done. So why not use it? Let's go, y'all. Are you ready for this? Yeah. You wanna cut your hair? Yeah. You need a transformation? Oh, hell. Okay, I'll fix you. Okay, you trust mommy? Come. Uh-oh. 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 No hands, no hands. Okay, let's do this. Okay, Baba, let's do this. Ow. Ow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right there, right there. So yours is right here, right? Ooh, this is not gonna be easy, guys. Really not. So right here, it's supposed to be like from here, right, Baba? Can you be nice about this? Let's turn this up. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Na na na, 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 na na. Wait, 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 wait. Don't shake, don't shake, don't shake, Kami. Wait now. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop. You're gonna hurt yourself. No shaking. No shaking. What the heck? Cut it off. Gee. Don't shake, okay? Can you stop? This is so funny. Tommy, stop! How we gonna cut your hair if you're doing that? Let mommy cut it. Don't shake. Don't shake. Don't shake. Don't shake.
I wish you could do it to my doll so she don't.
Don't shake. Gee. Yay.
Stop!
Stop, stop.
Guys, I was actually trying to figure out what was so funny with this boy. But yeah, at a point I was like, I don't think we can do this. But then at least he started getting it together, and yeah, we're making it work. We're making it work. I am gradually taking my time. It's not easy working with a kid. He's all over the place, got me messing things up. Yeah, I'm so scared. Oh my God. Yeah, my God. Sit your butt down, little boy. Yep. So as you can see there, I'm using my finger because I think the next level should be like an inch or something of your finger. So that's what I'm using to, mark out where I'm cutting. Oh, we getting there, guys. We getting there. We getting there. It's crazy. It looks. Guys, just be patient with me. But I mean, we getting there. Actually, it was coming along though. You see my first line? I mean, as long you do it, you try to get you start to get confident. So it started coming as we were doing it. My confidence started building until this boy can sit down. But okay, we did good.
Let's go. Okay. Hey, stop.
It can't open. Smells so good.
You're welcome. The dough. Yes, guys, I'm just trying to blend it, and gee, it's not easy. I think, I don't know, yo, but somehow, somewhere, it coming along, isn't it? Yo, I started feeling better about it. Like, I started feeling good about it, yo. It's like, you know what? It coming along. It's actually coming along. I'm proud of my boy. He crazy, give me headache, but we making it work. He stays still for sometimes, and then he be all over the place. It's just kids, and then his sister is trying to be a help, but making it worse. Oh, we're going. Yep, guys, there we are. Yeah. I've been crazy. Yeah, that feels good, yo. Like, I just, this feel good. Look at it. Look at it. It looks good. I mean, it's, if you're expecting it to be 100%, that's not going to be 100% at this point. That I know. So, I'm just, as long as it looks decent, and I can see that, I actually, got the fade. Like, it's there. The lines are not like perfect, but it's there. It's fade. I'm not trying to convince you, but I'm seeing it. Okay, that's how it was before, and yo, this is how it is now. So it's actually there. Okay. At a point, he was trying to take a nap. He's like, whatever, mommy, I'm tired. I'm tired running you over the place. And then he got up. But yeah, I feel your pain, son. You tired. I'm just on your head. And he's like, let me go, woman. You know, I just wanted to be good. I just want a good result. That's it. That's what I'm doing. So I'm about to wrap it up. Just you know, doing my finishing on it. Nothing much. After all, I'm gonna wrap his hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just blending, making sure it looks good, you know. Just doing all that fade around it there. Yeah. Guys, I'm just trying to figure this out. So don't judge me. Don't judge me if this is not what you expected. Well, this is the best I can do because I'm learning. And after all, he's okay. So, but yo, let me know what you think. Let me know, you know, any advice. I'm going to appreciate it. Next time I can, you know, try to apply it. And then tips for me, because I just want to be good at this. So if you are a professional out there and you got a tip, like something I can try, let me know, please. It will help. And if you think I did a good job, yeah, share this, all right? Subscribe, share this, because every time I cut his hair, we're going to do it together. So you're going to watch me grow. And, yeah, we're going to get better. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby, your hair looks so good. Done by your mama. Well, actually, honestly, I'm proud of myself. And I believe the next time, I'm going to do a lower fade, not a high fade, because I want his hair, his hair is still coming in. Okay, so I'm not going to touch his hairline. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let the front be. And then next time we're going to do a low fade, because as you can see, we actually end up with a high fade. That is a high fade. Okay, I want to keep the hair all around it there. So we'll do better next time. All right, but till then, please subscribe. I appreciate that. I need that. Share this video, y'all, please. All right, hope you enjoyed it and hope you like it. Stay for that. Till then, next time, guys. So y'all, this is our final look. As I said, I wasn't touching his hairline, but this looks good, as much as it's not 100%, but it looks good. All right, so you see some little mistakes in the front there, on the side, you know, upper, yeah, right there. But yeah, that's the best we could do. He was shaking a lot. So please, thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that bell to be notified when I upload a new video, y'all. Thank you. Bye bye.